people actually know about freefall? Freefall? Oh, Lisa, this was a really good question. Let's go and find out. Wait, cool. Harry, come on. Guys, wait. We interviewed several students here in CCTU. And we asked them what freefall is.
Let the past be the past, babe. See, we've all made mistakes, but
How do you define freefall?
How do you define?
Freefall. Super close naman yung yung... Kailangan talaga.
In English,
freefall. In English.
Pag siya nalaglag, freefall. Okay, pwede na yun. Comes in your mind with when you heard freefall.
When you heard? Physics ba yan? Ano?
Freefall.
Freefall?
Freefall.
Oo. Pag inano mo, pag galing dun sa... Maraming kayo sa freefall sa physics yan? Oo. Ano?
What comes in your mind? Ano ang pumapasok sa utak?
Libreng paghulog. Libreng na paghulog ng bola. Joke lang. Ano? Freefall yan natin may dyan sa freefall. Uy, tinuro na sa amin yan eh. Pwede text ko na lang. Okay lang. How do you define freefall? Freefall. 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 Physics.
Physics niya. How do you define binagsak ko yung isang bagay. Halimbawa. Freefall. Freefall is a state of falling.
Freefall? Ito ka dyan. Basta zero ang ano nun.
Zero.
Zero yung... Ano nga ba? Oh my God, ba't sinabi ka? Ikaw ba? Freefall.
Freefall is like this, no? Okay. In yourself, what is freefall? Falling object?
Oh, you define freefall.
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 Physics. Sige na.
Oh yeah, sige.
Freefall. Freefall, falling object.
How do you define freefall? Freefall? Ang hirap naman. Ano ba yan? Due to gravity. It's like due to gravity.
Freefalling body?
In physics. How do you define freefall? In physics po.
let the past be the past, babe. See, we've all made mistakes.
Hey guys, my name is Ronel B. Embestra and I'm here for you to teach about freefall. From the past lesson, we already know about the UAM, which is uniformly accelerated motion, which simply means that the acceleration is constant in a fixed direction. That is, the velocity changes by the same amount in every equal interval of time. So these are the 5 equations or formulas that mostly used in physics for UAM. First is the speed, which is equal to distance over time. The second is the velocity, which is equal to change in displacement over change of time, or final displacement minus initial displacement over final time minus initial time. We can use this formula for velocity, which is equal to final velocity plus initial velocity over 2. The third equation is acceleration is equal to change of velocity over time, or final velocity minus initial velocity over time. For the fourth equation, we have the distance. Distance is equal to final velocity squared minus initial velocity squared over 2 acceleration. The fifth equation, which is the distance, is equal to initial velocity times time plus 1/2 acceleration time squared. cases. The first case is the object dropped. The next case is the case 2, which is object thrown vertically downward. For the last case, which is the case 3, object that thrown vertically upward, which means everything that goes up must go down. We have here a ball, a timer, and a measuring tool. We are going to place the ball at the edge of a table and then observing it going down. The time that the ball takes to reach the ground is 0.50 seconds. So we are going to measure the distance. Here are the equations. The given are vertical distance, which is equal to 10 meters, the time, which is equal to 50 seconds, the acceleration due to gravity, which is equal to negative 9.8 meters per second squared. We are going to get the final velocity. The equation is final velocity is equal to initial velocity plus acceleration due to gravity times time. By substituting, the answer will be 490 meters per second.
Before we drop it, the initial velocity is 0 meter per second and the acceleration due to gravity is negative 9.8 meter per second squared. Now watch! 1.91 seconds.
In this problem, you're gonna need is the initial velocity, which is equal to 0 meter per second. The acceleration due to gravity, which is equal to negative 9.8 meter per second squared. The time the ball takes to reach the ground, which is equal to 1.73 seconds. We need to find the final velocity and the distance. To find the final velocity, here's the equation. Vf is equal to V1 plus Gt equals 0 plus negative 9.8 meter per second squared times 1.73 seconds. The final velocity will become 6.954 meter per second. Here's the equation. D is equal to initial velocity times time plus 1/2 AT squared. By substituting the value, the answer will become 8.477 meters. That falling water is one of the examples of free fall. A falling water from a drainage going down, it's because of the Earth's gravity. Now watch. 1, 2, 3, go. See? They will both hit the ground at the same time. Hi, I'm Eric and I'm here to show the other example of free fall. Free fall is a special type of motion, which the only force acting upon the object is gravity. All objects will fall at the same rate of acceleration regardless of the mass. So that means, even though this basketball is clearly larger than a small ball, they will both fall at the same rate of acceleration. Now, watch.
And now, we therefore conclude that free fall is when an object falls freely without any resistance from anything. That's all, so we hope you learned a lot from us. Thank you for watching! Sabi niya pag kunyari nalagdag, what happened?
What happened? What happened?
Ang dami kaya. Natatawa na ako, pisa pa lang. Kunyari lang, nag-video ka dyan. Huwag mo na damihan yung the making, ha? Mamaya for the making, ha? Grabe naman, nakafocus talaga. We interviewed several students using and asked them what is freefall. We interviewed several students here at UCPU and we asked them how we drop it, the initial velocity, 0 meter per second. Kasi upo sila dito or something. Doon na lang po galing. Mga pagkapunas unang muna ito.
Let the past be the past,